This is the 2023 Brewtubers Online Brewers Club Yeast Experiment, British Brown Ale. Thanks to our sponsors: Imperial Yeast, 5 Star Chemicals, Yakima Valley Hops, Beer and Wine Hobby Homebrew Store, and Brewers Hardware. Let's get tasting.
All right, Big Dog Brewing coming back for another beer review. This time we're going to review Burgles Brewing, his brown ale. You see that? There's no information here. Nothing other than the only reason why I know that's his is because those are his initials. So I had to reach out to Chris and see which yeast he used. He used Lamelons, London Ale, dry yeast. Again, doing a beer review for the 2023 experiment for Brewtubers. We used, this is beer number 4 for me. Same malt bill, same hop, same ingredients, same exact ingredients, and we just changed up the yeast. So Chris is using these PET bottles. Good idea. So I will crack it here and we'll see what happens. There we go. There's the pour. So again, we all use gelatin, so his beer is pretty clear. Not really fully clear, but pretty clear. Not as clear as the others, but a little bit of head, not much at all, but definitely some carbonation in there. So let's go in for a nose. Yeah, I'm getting the chocolate. Maybe a little bit of coffee. Not really getting any hop characteristics. Or yeast, but smells very similar to mine. Definitely smells similar to mine. So we're gonna go in for a little taste. Cheers. So this one's definitely a little bit sweeter than mine, sweeter than the other 2 that I've had, plus mine. So I don't know what his FG was, Chris. If you put it in the comments, we would know. So it's definitely not as dry. I don't know if that's a bad thing. It's pretty good, actually. Definitely on the sweeter side of things. Again, not a bad thing. I don't know what the alcohol content is. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's somewhere in between 5 or 6%. I'm getting the sweet chocolate, no hop bitterness at all, no yeast characteristic, no English yeast characteristic that I would have expected. Not getting much like raisin or anything like that from it. A little bit of coffee, maybe. Another good beer. I never thought I would like a brown ale, but so far I would probably brew that again. As the, you know, it's not as red as mine or Kurt's was. It's more of that brown. I know it's hard to tell. So, from a ranking, I think I'm gonna put probably gonna go Kurt, mine, Wrecked, and then this one. And the only reason why is it's just a little too sweet for me compared to the others. It's a good beer, no faults in it, and I'm nobody to discuss faults, so it doesn't really matter, but I definitely would be drinking this if it was mine. But as far as like just comparing it to the others, that's where I see it right now. So cheers. We'll be back for more, maybe tomorrow, another day. We'll see. See ya.